Hello friends, guess what day it is today? It's Misfits Day. And here is my box. And I'm going to unbox it right now. Inside of this box, I just pulled it out, are ice, 2 ice. These are rock solid. And these keep the food cool. So there's that. Now let's see what's inside of this box. They're a little wet. Okay, on top, we have a piece of cardboard that separates the ice from the food. So here is my box. This time, I had a few extra I added on to my box. I was really intrigued by this honey, raw honey with lemon and ginger. So, and it was fairly well priced. It's $3.49, and I'm a teacher and I talk a lot. And so sometimes my throat gets a little raw. So I like to just take a little spoonful of honey, and I was really intrigued with the lemon and ginger. So I wanted to try that. So there's that. So that is an add-on. I added on tomatoes, small tomatoes. And I also added on grapes, green grapes. And as I usually do, 2 containers of mushrooms. Now, let's get to the actual box. So these are the things that I added on to the order, so I'm going to set them aside. Okay? And I will show you what the actual order is. Here we go. Actually, I'm going to put it down. So there we go. And we have 2 cucumbers. Can never have enough cucumbers. We have an orange pepper. Wow, a lot of peppers. Yes, more peppers. Okay, so this might be a Misfits just because of the way that it's shaped, but it's still going to taste good. A red pepper. Okay, so red leaf lettuce. Look at these cute little squash. They're very small. They're very cute. Another lettuce. We'll put all the lettuce right here, which is great because we usually eat a lot of lettuce. And here we go. More lettuce. This is the kind of lettuce that's, it's live food, so it's still in the root. More lettuce. A lot of lettuce this time. I'm actually really happy about that. Some bok choy. More lettuce that's kind of scattered throughout the box, kind of fell off of the, oh my. Look at these huge beets. Oh my goodness. Wow. These are huge. Look at this. Look at this in comparison to, oh, here's a normal sized pepper. Look at that. I've never seen one that big. We'll see what they taste like. Some more bok choy. Some celery. Yes, more lettuce. More peppers. Now, if I don't eat all the peppers, or I should say if we don't eat all the peppers, I freeze them. Squash, or no, zucchini. Another bok choy. So 4 bok choy. These are great in salads. I love radishes. Sweet potatoes. More stray lettuce. Now, I think this might have been an add-on. I'm not sure if it was or not, but it's a kind of a cabbage, like curly cabbage or something like that. I know I selected it. I don't know if I selected it on the foods that you can select, or if I selected it in the add-ons. I think it, no, I actually think it was in the foods you select. So I don't think this is an add-on, actually, because I don't think I would add that on. Okay, and then I also got more honey, turmeric and ginger. So it's raw honey, turmeric, and ginger. And I thought this was fairly priced. This was $3.49. That was actually a pretty good price. So let's see, I've got the ginger and honey and turmeric and ginger. So that's kind of exciting. Cabbage. Some more sweet potatoes. So there's 5 sweet potatoes. This one goes by the radishes. And a whole bunch of carrots. These beets are something else. More carrots. These are huge. Now, I suppose that's a misfit because, you know, they're not beautiful, but, you know, you peel them anyway most of the time. Okay, so Misfits had a sale on my favorite. It's Coconola. It's grain-free granola. And they were $3.99 this time. Usually they're $4.99, and I thought that was a sale, but my local store, these are actually $7.99. So I just went to see that yesterday. I was going to get some if they had them on sale, but they did not. So it's a very good price. So here it is. Here's what we have. So this is Misfits. So I have a whole bunch of peppers, a whole bunch of lettuce, which is great because I've had to run to the store and buy more lettuce during the week. So that's great. So a lot of let me move it upwards so you can see the whole works. So yeah, there's a whole lot of carrots, bok choy, some more cabbage back here, huge beets. This is something else, huh? We'll see how those taste. Hopefully they're really good. So that is it. Look, I will give you a perspective of these beets. Whoops, crooked. This is my head, and these are the beets. These are huge. That's funny. Okay, and the carrots, huge. So this is really, really, really good. I know that I always want the peppers because peppers are very expensive to purchase in the store. They're $5.99 a pound, usually, unless you get them on sale. But so they're $5.99 a pound. And so what I do is I just, if we can't eat them all in a week, I just chop them up and freeze them. And they're really good to add to eggs. They're really good to add to whatever. You use a little bag of, I have just a little bag I'll just grab. Yeah, so I just grab a little bag of them, doubles, so then I can just pull this out and then use that in whatever I'm cooking. Most of the time, it's adding peppers to eggs. That's usually what I do, because I usually eat eggs every morning. So yeah, here's my Misfits haul for this week. I'm really excited to try this. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know below. And there is a 25% off coupon code down below if you would like to try Misfits for yourself. The price of this is $35 for 4 to 5 people and $22 for 1 to 2 people. It's really a good price if you ask me, in comparison to my local store or places where I shop. So, and I have my week's worth of vegetables, and you know, we eat most of it. I mean, pretty much all of it. I try to empty out my refrigerator by Wednesday. So we just cook, and my goal is to have an empty refrigerator by Wednesday, and we succeed. So anyway, here's to eating more vegetables. Oh, is there no fruit in here? Well, some people confuse tomatoes with fruit, but no fruit in here this time. All right, well, that's okay too. All right, and until next time, stay healthy. Bye.